قد عندكم مستشفى
الشمس من الساعة 10
ما يصليوش حتى الفجر.
ثمانية وحتى يرقوش علينا كانوا بدأوا يخدموا.
وقد تقعد تستنى حتى لين يجي دورك؟
والله ولا ثم كنا ترى بقى قاعد يفرس شوية بس خلطوا كي قاعد يفرس.
صباح الخير. قديش عندك تستنى هنا؟ ساعتين. صباح الخير. عافاك. قديش عندك تستنى هنا؟ I am. Everyone else here is getting bored. We've been waiting here for forever. I'm leaving.
I'm not coming here anymore. Why would I even take the risk to miss my appointments?
Why don't you find a solution?
Solution? How?
I don't know. Let me think.
Wait, I found it.
Nearly 90% of Tunisian adults are subscribed to public health services, but most of them had to take advantage of it because they waste their time while waiting for their turns. Knam Tickets seems to be solving many problems these people are facing in their daily life.
Our product addresses several issues surrounding the inconvenience of having to go long distances to get your ticket and keep waiting for the whole day for your turn. Now it's way more simple than that.
Knam Tickets allows you to book your ticket online according to the region you choose and provides you with the phone numbers for more information.
All you need is to log in using your personal Knam code and you'll get your rank.
This technology will make getting public health service easier, which is something that appears to be new in our country. This is why, after getting our app used, we're adding to it some advertising space for pharmaceutical companies and healthcare providing centers.
To promote this app, we'll be using all social media sites to get more people to use it.
Through Facebook pages, we'll start a campaign showing the pain Tunisian people are living every day while waiting for their turns in the Knam offices.
In this campaign, people will be sharing photos from Knam's offices all over Tunisia and saying how much time they spend there and how much they hate being there for a long time.
When the campaign gets huge, we're sharing our solution for the problem so that people recommend it to be bought and used by relevant authorities.
In the future, we're planning to add a feature providing the user with the estimated time for his turn and adding a reminder to remind the user of his appointment.
It will change people's daily life.
Stop the waste of time.
No more missed appointments. Because we have the solution for your problem.
Because we are the leaders of tomorrow.
We're the ones who will make the change.
What a beautiful day. But I should go to the Knam's office. I think I'm missing it. It's going to take me hours to get my service done. Oh, I forgot. I have the app Knam Tickets in my phone. Let's get my ticket now and go for a walk.